Are you looking for the best budget printers? In this video we will look at some of the best budget printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HLL 2400D Laser Printer. Print confidently with fast laser printing, innovative software and convenient solutions from Brother. Brother makes it easy. Connect directly to your Windows or Linux PC with USB 2.0 connectivity. USB cable not included. Printer is not wireless, Wi-Fi compatible. The included iPrint and Scan desktop app simplifies printer management. Engineered by Brother for quality, consistency, and a reassuring fit, Brother Genuine Toner is the trusted choice for reliable results. Available in a wide range of cartridge options, or stock up and save with the convenient twin pack. The Brother HLL 2400D Compact Monochrome, Black and White, Laser Printer is the simple, affordable choice for black and white printing. Reliable, quick, and efficient, it consistently produces crisp, easy-to-read black and white prints at speeds up to 32 pages per minute. Number 2. MFCL 8900CDW Color Laser. The Brother MFCL 8900CDW Color Laser All-in-One is ideal for offices and small work groups with higher print volumes. Brother Genuine Super High Yield 6,500 page replacement toner cartridges, approximate yield based on ISO, IEC 19798, deliver low-cost output. Print, copy up to 33 pages per minute in black and color. Gigabit Ethernet, wireless networking. 70-page capacity auto document feeder with two-sided scanning at up to 58 IPM. Legal size scan glass. Automatic duplex printing. Print from, scan to mobile devices over a wireless network. Scan to a variety of destinations. 5.0-inch color touchscreen display with customizable shortcuts. Advanced security features for network user authentication plus device access restriction. Number 3. HLL 3300CDW Color Printer. The Brother HLL 3300CDW Wireless Multifunction Digital Color Printer with copy and scan functionalities will help you accomplish more from your home or small office. Efficiently combining 3 functions in one, its space-saving design eliminates the need for multiple pieces of equipment and is a sensible solution for freelancers, consultants, hybrid workers and solopreneurs. Producing exceptional print quality. It consistently creates smudge-free documents that help elevate your professional presence. With seamless connectivity options, effortless operation, and reliable performance, it is designed to complement where and how you work, every time you need it. For peace of mind printing, rely on advanced security features to safeguard sensitive documents and create secure connections to devices and networks. Engineered and supported by Brother with a 1-year limited warranty and free online, call, or live chat support for the life of your printer. The HLL 3300CDW is an effective multitasking addition to any small workspace. Number 4. HLL 3280CDW Color Printer. The Brother HLL 3280CDW Wireless Digital Color Printer is engineered to optimize efficiencies while working from home or in shared workspaces. Compact, capable, and reliable. This high-volume printer combines steady connectivity options with consistent performance, and premium laser quality printing for smudge-free documents that position you for success. Always ready to get to work whenever you are, its print-forward features include speeds up to 27 pages per minute, ppm, unintuitive 2.7 touch screen, dual-band wireless connectivity, and mobile device compatibility for ease of use and ready accessibility. Energy Star compliant and EPEAT Silver rated. The HLL 3280CDW is designed with eco-friendly printer features including Eco Mode, toner save mode, and automatic duplex printing. For peace of mind printing, advanced security features safeguard sensitive information and create secure connections to devices and networks. Number 5. MFCL 2820DW Laser Printer. The Brother MFCL 2820DW Wireless Compact Monochrome, Black and White, all-in-one laser printer is the affordable choice for high-volume printing, copying, scanning, and faxing. Designed for exceptional efficiency, this quick, reliable 4-inch-1 office printer consistently produces crisp, easy-to-read black and white prints at speeds up to 34 pages per minute, ppm. Versatile paper handling features help improve your workflow and decrease the number of manual tasks in your day. The 250-sheet paper tray reduces paper refill frequency, and the 50-page auto document feeder 4 expedites multi-page copy, scan, and fax jobs. With its small footprint, this compact printer can be placed almost anywhere on your desktop. Meanwhile, the integrated 2.7 touchscreen makes navigation easy and allows you to print from and scan to popular cloud-based apps. Dual-band wireless, Ethernet, and USB 2.0 provide flexible options for connecting to your devices.